Neural control and coordination. Functions of organs and organ systems in our body must be coordinated to maintain homeostasis. Coordination is a process through which two or more organs interact and complement the functions of one another. For example, when we do physical exercises, energy demand is increased for maintaining the increased muscular activity. Supply of oxygen is also increased, and this necessitates increase in respiration rate, heartbeat, blood flow via blood vessels. When physical exercise is stopped, activities of nerves, lungs, heart, kidney return to their normal conditions. They return gradually. Therefore, functions of muscles, lungs, heart, blood vessels, kidney, and other organs, they are coordinated while performing physical exercises. In our body, neural system and endocrine system jointly coordinate and integrate all activities of organs so that they function in synchronized fashion. Organs function in synchronized fashion. Neural system provides organized network of point-to-point connection for quick coordination. Endocrine system provides chemical integration through hormones. In this chapter, we will learn about neural system of human and mechanisms of neural coordination like transmission of nerve impulse conduction across synapse, and physiology of reflex action. Neural system of all animals is composed of neurons. These are highly specialized cells. They can detect, receive, and transmit different kinds of stimuli. Neural organization is very simple in lower invertebrates. In Hydra, this is composed of network of neurons. Neural system is better organized in insects. Insects में क्या होते हैं? Brain is present along with number of ganglia and neural tissue. Vertebrates have neural system that is more developed. Human neural system is divided into two parts: central neural system and peripheral neural system, CNS or PNS. CNS includes brain and spinal cord. It is the site of information processing and control. PNS comprises all nerves of body that are associated with CNS, that is brain and spinal cord. Nerve fibers of PNS are of two types, afferent and efferent fibers. Afferent nerve fibers transmit impulses from tissues या organs to CNS. और जो efferent fibers हैं, they transmit regulatory impulses from CNS to concerned peripheral tissues या organs. तो इसका उल्टा हो गया ये दोनों. PNS is divided into two divisions: somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Somatic neural system relays impulses from CNS to skeletal muscles. और जो ऑटोनॉमिक न्यूरल सिस्टम है, इट ट्रांसमिट्स इम्पल्सेस फ्रॉम सीएनएस टू इनवॉलेंट्री ऑर्गन्स एंड स्मूथ मसल्स ऑफ बॉडी. दिस इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक न्यूरल सिस्टम. विसरल नर्वस सिस्टम इज पार्ट ऑफ पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम एंड इट कंप्राइजेस होल कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ नर्व्स, फाइबर्स, गैंग्लियन, प्लेक्सस, by which impulses travel from central nervous system to viscera and viscera to central nervous system. Neuron is a microscopic structure and it is composed of three major parts: cell body, dendrites, and axon. Cell body contains cytoplasm, typical cell organelles, and Nissel's granules. These are certain granular bodies. Short fibers that branch repeatedly and project out of cell body. They also contain these Nissel granules. And these short fibers are called dendrites. They transmit impulses towards the cell body. Axon is the long fiber. इसका distal end branch होता है. Its distal end is branched. Each branch terminates as bulb-like structure called synaptic knob. And this synaptic knob possesses synaptic vesicles. And this synaptic vesicles contain neurotransmitters. These are chemicals. Axons transmits nerve impulses away from the cell body to synapse or neuromuscular junction. Neurons are divided into three types: multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar. They are divided on the basis of number of axons and dendrites. Multipolar में axon कितने होंगे? एक. और डेंड्राइट्स 2 और मोर. These are found in cerebral cortex. बाइपोलर में एक्सॉन अगेन 1 और डेंड्राइट्स कितने होंगे 1, तो 1 और 1 बाइपोलर हो गए ना. और यहाँ पे एक्सॉन इसमें भी एक ही होगा हमेशा एक्सॉन. बाइपोलर दिस इज फाउंड इन रेटिना ऑफ आई. फिर है यूनिपोलर, इसमें बस एक एक्सॉन ही होगा, वो नहीं होगा डेंड्राइट. दे आर फाउंड इन एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज यूजुअली. एक्सॉन आर ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, माइलिनेटेड और नॉन माइलिनेटेड.